So while I'm letting this bike warm up, I'm sure a lot of you that are new, whole probably 2 of you, have never seen this one before, unless you've watched old videos. This has been waiting on tires and shit for a hot minute, because I have been a little bit lazy, I'm not gonna lie. Hold on, let me adjust this camera a little bit. These are Pirelli Diablo Rosso 3s, rear and on the front. Just gave it a bath. It was covered in dust and pollen and spider webs. I got a chain on the way, although I did adjust this one. It's a lot better than what it was, surprisingly. But yeah, I'm not going to be too crazy on it. I'm going to meet up with Kawis today. So they're brand new tires, like I just got them off the truck today, so I don't want to get too crazy and die. So I guess I'll catch y'all when I'm at the gas station in a minute, because I'm saving battery.
I like this blue CVO or whatever the fuck it is.
That one is nice, yeah. Let's hope this bike doesn't have issues. I just fucking put so much fucking yeah, it's in Spring Lake, so we can either. Alright, I'm going the back way just because I want to make sure everything's kosher before we do highway shit.
Alright, that's fine.
Would you also believe me if I said that I forgot to tighten up my the weights on the end of my bars too?
The weights on the end of your bars, like your bar ends?
Yeah. Forgot to do that. Oopsies.
How the fuck do you do that? What were you doing?
I was trying to put different mirrors on it and they would not cooperate. And I guess I just forgot to fucking do that. Ooh. Maybe. Something's not happy with this bike. Here, try and roll it forward and backward really quick. I think you'll see what I mean.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Resistance.
Something's not kosher somewhere.
Your back brake is
Locked up?
yeah.
Motherfucker.
Yeah, something's rubbing on her.
Oh shit. Hey, you want to see something crazy? That's not good. Oh, look at my rear wheel. Look at my hub. It's 8 up.
Oh my god.
How the fuck does that happen? There is literally nothing that has changed on this bike from when I took the tire off and put it back on.
Did you forget a spacer?
No.
Oh my god, Jake, I just wanted to go to the car show. Oh,
It's more fucking control.
Yeah, that's my brake pad that ate into that.
Yeah, no, it's your,
No,
like,
it's your, like,
yeah, it's
yeah, it's your brake pad or your mount for your brake pad.
I don't know what to do
I don't know what to do for you.
Go grab the Dyna.
I guess,
Let's go.
Fuck.
Might as well
just fucking do it now.
Yeah.
We gotta go.
We gotta go though. We gotta fucking go.
I told everyone
to meet
there
there now because it was just taking so long.
True.
I've been here for like 40 minutes.
Shit, my bad.
And Austin fucking rode by me. He didn't want to wait. He just went straight to the car show. Typical Austin.
Right.
He waits for nobody.
fair. Hold on a second. Oh my god. Want a souvenir? Fuck! Yeah. Don't you just love riding with me? Where everything just fucking goes wrong at once? Huh? Yeah, the Dyna... Oh, he's just gonna go for it too, no? Oh, I can hear it eating into the fucking rim too, son of a bitch! Oh, they're turning. Fuck them. So the plan is to take the causeway down. So I don't really want to get on the freeway and then have, if it locks up or some shit, I'd rather have it be at 55. That was a noob thing right there. I'd rather be at straight. We're going straight across. I just rather, if it decides to do something dumb, I'd rather do it at 45-50 instead of 75-80. Hopefully, damn, that's old as fuck. Oh, I bet you. It goes until 9 o'clock. Didn't we have this same like issue like 2 weeks ago? Oh, we're green. Maybe we just gotta stop going to car shows. Yeah, I just gotta find somewhere to park. Oh, we don't have to pay to park, preferably. A fucking Lamborghini, bro. Fuck yeah! What the fuck? Hey! It's those guys again! You know what I see? A parking spot right fucking there. Oh, hi, how's it going? My bad. I was swinging that bitch wide as fuck. Word. Right.